Hello everybody, Chatty CRC back with you here. Welcome back to the Honest FPV channel. Today, it's haul time. It's my haul time. No sponsorships, no nothing. Just things that I need and have collected over the past few weeks to improve my builds and get things ready to go for my summer flying seasons. So let's kind of start with let's start with some of the boring stuff. So, supplies. Everybody needs supplies. Got all this stuff from Ready Made RC. Got some 25mm and 18mm ESC heat shrink. Some 12 gauge wire. A standoff kit. Some goop for my planes, just in case the bad things happen. And for my UFL connectors on my Unifies and Crossfires, some Permatex black silicone adhesive. Got a couple Unify Pro cables here, extra cables. Don't ever cut them too short or you'll have to buy extra cables. A replacement UFL to SMA for one of my Unifies. The new Unify Pro HV Race with the MMCX connector. Gonna be definitely doing a review and checking some things out with the channel on that. A build that I've already completed and you haven't seen anything of yet. The Brain FPV Radix PDB and flight controller. Very promising, awesome OSD. Can't wait to fly that. Last but not least, Helio Spring all-in-one board, which is very new and is very exciting because I do love the Helio firmware. The new one, Odin, is awesome. There's plenty of videos on it on my channel. There's that. Really beautiful color. Nice tabs. Everything is on the edge. Easy to solder on. You can go on the bottom, of course, if you want to as well. And we'll definitely be talking about that a lot. That is going to be going into one of my Multicopter Builder Epics 5.5s, and we are going to compare that to the current Motolab Tempest running at Betaflight 3.4 on that one. And yeah, plenty of things on the agenda here to get ready for fun fly season. Couple rebuilds going on and all that kind of stuff. Not complete, just we'll open out some components, put some stuff up on the old RC groups and all that kind of stuff. And the other thing that I plan on doing, since it's just going to be raining like crazy this weekend, is I'm going to clean this bench and organize everything. So that's it. Talk to you guys later.